Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So as we have started in Revit tutorial series for the architects and civil engineering students, so today we will be discussing about how you can place a components in your any building project or the house project you are doing for your client. For example, if you want to place a sofa set here, a TV set here, then you want to place in the rooms the bed, table, study table, and you have to place the components for the bathroom toilet fixtures and also for the kitchens like dining table, kitchen tables, fridge, how those families you can insert in your particular Revit project. So if you haven't watched our previous videos in which we have discussed about how you can create a wall, how you can give a different width material to that particular wall, how you can add a paint on a particular wall, how you can create a different material or width height for the door windows. So these all things we have already discussed in our existing videos. You can go and check out. Today we will be discussing about components, how you can add those components. So for adding component, you will go to architecture. So as you can see here, wall, door, windows we have already discussed. For adding and components, a component option is there. Okay, here if you click on the component, two options available: place a component and model in place. So first let's discuss with the model in place. What does it mean? It means you are not downloading any family from the from or from internet, and also you are not using the Autodesk Revit library. You are creating a family from your end. So if you click on model in place, you have to choose the category. For example, you want to create a furniture family, you will click on the furniture category. So here furniture, then you have to name it as per your requirement. For example, we are creating a box furniture for the demo, box furniture. So all those tools will be available here to create a family similar to AutoCAD 3D. So here if you use the extrusion, you can use extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, swept, blend, all those families. This tutorial I have already uploaded in my playlist section for the Revit family. You can go and check out. For example, extrusion tool I have used here, I will use this rectangle pattern. I will choose the dimension, rough dimension, and the height of this box is a 4 feet. I will click on this. So a box will be created. As you can see here, a box will be created in my this project, the same project in which I am working. So you can create a family as per your requirement. You can you can change the material of this family by clicking on these three dots, and you can apply any material. For example, if you want to apply particular material, you will select finish model. So like this, the material will be applied to that particular geometry you have created. But while creating from here component model in place, there is a one drawbacks that you can't share this family with your teammates. You can't save it as a family in your desktop folder or different folder in your PC. For this, you should use the feature of creating a family in the family template itself in the Revit interface. For that one, you will go to file, you will go here new and family. You will not create family by going component model in place directly. You will go to file, you will go to new, you will click on family, and then you have to choose a template. So if you are confused in starting, you can simply choose the generic metric template or generic imperial template as per your requirement. If you want the dimension in feet and inches, choose imperial. If you want the dimension in choose metric. So as you can see here, metric generic model template is available there. You have to click on that template and the family interface will be there. So you can simply create the family here. All those tools will also be available here. So to go to extrusion, the same as we have created. While choosing the model in place, I will create here box also. I will give it as a height 500. Then simply you can change the material as per your requirement, and here you have to load this into your project. Whatever project you are having open in the same Revit session, that family will be loaded in the file and you can place as you can see here. And by going to edit family again, you can edit this geometry, and also here you are having an option to save this family in your local desktop folder and to share with your team members. So by doing this, you can create a family that will be easy to share with your teammates. So understood, we are having two options to create a family from our end. First one is model in place, second one is going to file option, then from new and family. So this one we are creating family from our end. But if you don't want to create a family from your end, you want to download from the Autodesk Revit library, for that one you have to simply go to insert. Here load Autodesk family options is available there. Okay, and the file, you will click on that load Autodesk family. From here load family option, whatever the family we have created and saved on our desktop, you can access those families from there, and you can click and load those family. For example, for door we have already saved in our previous videos, but to access the Revit Autodesk library you have to click on load Autodesk family here. Now as you can see here, different families will be available there. So you can found those furniture, caseworks, all those here available. For example, if I go to furniture, many furniture options are families are available there. For example, if you want to use this sofa set, you have to simply remember his name, furniture couch wiper. You will click on this load. So this family will be loaded in your furniture. If you go to furniture, for example, the furniture name couch wiper we have used, loaded just now. You can find this family is available here. Now simply you have to drag it here, and you can place it in your current project. So here like this we can place the families here. So this one option is there. You can use the Lord Autodesk family. You can select the bed also from here, furniture bed you can load. So the furniture bed family will also be loaded here, as you can see here, and we can place the bed as per our requirement. For example, in this, by pressing the shift, you can change the orientation of the door while placing it. So like this you can place the door also here, and so like this all those families are available here. You have to simply select them, and you have to simply download them, load them, and those families will be available here. Like this bookshelves are also loaded, so you can simply select here, you can place on any wall. Okay, so like this you can download the dining table, you can download the lavatory fixtures, you can download the kitchen set. All those sets will be available here. Next one option, you can download from the internet also. There are many websites. For example, this BIM object is a website where you can simply download any one of the family. For example, we are downloading this counter bathroom sink. You have to simply click on the download, and you have to select the file, Revit RFA file. We'll click on the download selection. It will be downloaded and available in your PC. Then simply now this time you have to go to load family. So you will go to load family here. You will select that family that you have recently downloaded. For example, this one, open. Now the same family you have to search in your project browser the name of that family. You can copy from here, Control C, then here Control F, Control V. Next, this family is available here in the generic model category. You have to simply select and drag here. If you want to place a sink here, you can place a sink. For example, we want to place a sink here, this side in the washroom. Like this you can place. Okay, further you have to change the height up to 3 feet, because the bottom of the lavatory should be 3 feet from the floor. These are the standards that we should use. So like this you can download from the internet also. If you want, the another website is there. Much more websites will be available in the internet. The next one is library Revit. As you can see here, most of the families will be available there. You can download the whole kitchen set here. For example, kitchen, if you type the kitchen here, kitchen sets options will be available there. Cells, fully you can see the families are available here. You can download as per your requirement, and you can, for example, let me download this family. You have to simply click on download Revit. You have to log in here. So this family will be available to use. download RFA. For the families, the extension of the file is RFA. Again, go to load family, the same folder we'll open here. Okay, then same name I will copy and search, Control F, Control V. Next, so like this you can place. Also, once you loaded any family and you will go to component, you will click on it, all those loaded families will be available here from here also, so you can select and then you can place. So you have to go to architecture, component, and simply you will select which family you want to place. You want to place the desk, you want to place the recent downloaded the kitchen set, then you will simply select from here and you can place directly here also. So this is how you can download the components from the nets. You can download the component from the Autodesk library itself, and also if you want to create a family from your end, then you can create the component from your end also. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with other. Thank you.